I try to answer simple questions. What's the purpose of this? I'm not against the religion, but I don't live with it. You know? But the girl I choose, she's Catholic. This is not a girlfriend, boyfriend commitment.
And it's not just like one time and that's it, and now I have my wife. No,
is a marriage agency. So you have to understand this. If you want to commit and go this way, you have to be ready for the commitment. And those guys, they will provide you with everything. It's like amazing. I feel home in 4 days now.
Yes.
Because of their support,
thank you.
of their follow-up. I mean, it's unbelievable. Number of girls, number of boys, their dating schedules, their trip organizing, the time management. They are putting unbelievable effort to satisfy everybody who joins this. And I recommend this, but be serious.
Yes.
Don't take it easy, otherwise it will end up in wasting their time
and the woman's time,
and you don't get what you're looking for. So
and I have one important thing maybe for the guys watching, because we know that this is a culture who does believe in God, who are very Catholic. You're an atheist, right?
Yes, I'm atheist.
And that was a little bit challenging for you, and maybe some guys who watching, I'm also an atheist. Is that possible for me to date here? And you see it is possible. I mean, you rule out, or you get ruled out as well from a couple of women. How was that experience at the table when you dropped the bomb? You said, I dropped the bomb.
Yeah, some of them, they were not convinced, but honestly, I tried to answer simple questions. What's the purpose of this? I'm not against the religion, but I don't live with it. You know? But the girl I chose, I would say she's my girlfriend now. So far, she's Catholic, and I respect that. And I'm from Jerusalem, so I understand Muslims, Jews, and Christians. And I celebrate the Christmas with my friends, and we attend the big celebrations in Christmas. I attend the celebrations for the Jews. I have no problem. I share with them everything. And for Muslims, I attend Ramadan. I gift in their
You're so flexible, huh?
Yeah, I'm so flexible because, okay, I believe in something. They don't believe in the same way, but that doesn't make us enemies. This is part of the freedom that I believe in. I respect what everybody believes, as long as it doesn't affect me on a day-to-day basis. Like, I don't like to go religious way, but
you still are attending religious events.
And this is what the lady, she was convinced of. And most of them, they say, as long as you respect us, we have no problem with that. But
and she can do her religion and you would be okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay. As long as I said she understands that I don't do my daily life based on religion things. So I don't like any religious habits on a day-to-day, but on occasions, important occasions, I have to be there.
Okay, cool. But that's really nice. Yeah, I love that, Mohammed. You're very, that flexible, and also very, how you say it, a lot of emotional intelligence. So, and you can feel that. You can feel that when you talk to everybody. Also, the guys looking and talking to you a lot. Another thing, also, you guys connecting a lot. So you also met a couple of friends already, right?
Yeah, already. We decided to stay together and talk to each other. 3 guys from States. We like talking to each other. We exchanged the numbers, and we decided we should continue seeing each other. And I already have plans with somebody in 2 months. We're coming back here.
Oh, cool.
So it's nice. I met a new American, beautiful German guy. I love Germany, so I'm excited to meet also.
Today in the morning we came to breakfast. They were talking politics. So, okay, that's interesting. American, Canadian, German talking politics. Was very interesting. Yes,
it's very interesting.
But it's very interesting because we get a perspective of a lot of different things, you know, and I love that. I mean, just like this small mind, if you come here, you cannot have a small mind. You have to have an open mind. And so I think that is what you have. And
one more advice is put a good introduction about you, because the time is very limited. When you go into the social event, it's only 10 minutes with 5-6 women. So you need to make sure you pass your personal image to them in an easy way. Like put your more important 5 sentences. This is what I did. 5 sentences. So my translator introducing me in 5 sentences.
Great.
And then let them introduce themselves. Then they can ask a question. Then we started after the quick introduction, asking 3 main questions. For example, if they have a problem, if she has a problem moving to Canada, and what is the challenges for her? And most of them, they said they don't have a problem in moving to Canada as long as we do the things in a proper way. And they asked me if I want to settle in Colombia. It's an option for me. I love real estate. I buy real estate, and I'm prepared to buy now a real estate because we have to be honest here. The lady, she likes me. She needs me. I like her. I need her. So it's a mutual benefit for both of us, not only social or marriage relationship. There is big commitments that comes after that. So for me, if I'm gonna spend the next year coming every 2 months, I don't want to stay in a hotel. I'll buy a condo and then start having some sort of setup because
Airbnb.
Yes, and because I need the girl to feel that I am available here. If she needs me anytime, I can be here. I'm committed. I don't have problem. She comes to my country or I come live here. It's okay. We'll see how that goes. That needs more time to decide.
And what I love, Mohammed, as well was like today, because I always recommend you guys don't focus too quickly on one woman, meet other women. And Mohammed was just meeting one woman. And if you have the connection, why not focusing on that connection? I'm not saying it's bad, but I said, you know, it's a risk you take. You're a businessman. You know what risks are. And he said, yeah, if it doesn't work out, then I come back and attend another social. So what's the problem?
But guys, follow their instructions. Even if you don't like it, just follow it. They have more experience than us in this event. So follow their rules. You will be happy. You will be definitely satisfied. You won't run out of time. They will keep arranging dates for you for the rest of your stay. They do a big job. To an extent, it's disturbing me. And I'll say, just cool down, guys. I have one girl. I'm happy with her.
I don't want more. Don't give me more.
But they're still offering me more advices and more really good techniques regarding this process. So just listen to their rules and you will get the results you want.
Thank you so much, Mohammed, for sharing that. I think this was very helpful.
I'm very happy with this trip, honestly. And I will repeat it again if I need, hopefully. But I promise I'm going to stay in touch with them every time I come. I'm going to stop to your office,
it would be great.
Say hi, and maybe volunteer in some activities in the future with you in the events.
Cool.
I would love to volunteer. Cool. And you made me happy, so I would, at least in Canada, we do this. If we do a good job, then we must volunteer to the party who does this to us. So
that's a very nice.
It would be great. Me or my girlfriend, we might be interested in doing some volunteers. That's
thank you.
An idea
I'm
considering. Much. Yeah, if you,
I would love to, or maybe have you at one of our live shows. We do the Wednesday live shows. Yeah. Maybe you and her, maybe come live at some point.
Whatever job you get me to volunteer, I promise I'll dedicate one day from the morning to the evening, committed to these lovely people.
Thank you so much, Mohammed. It was really, really great.
And I wish you more successful events and you grow because you're doing something very special, very unique. You don't find this everywhere, especially dating. Society is complicated, too much fraud in it, and you're always having a risk, especially if you are a businessman. We're always having a high risk into these dating issues. But the guys, they made it very easy, very straightforward. Go for it.
Guys, go for it. Come to Medellin. We're waiting for you. Thank you so much, Mohammed, for sharing your information, for sharing your experience with us. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Are you ready to get started? Sign up and connect with these real women.
Check out our website at
Colombianlady.com.